Hey guys, and welcome back to Tech Guilt. And in this video, I'm going to be telling you how to get lynda.com for free from your public library. So if you're interested in this video, stay tuned. We'll be right back. Just in case you live in the Baltimore County area in Maryland, this video is for you. So to begin with, you're going to go to your web browser. And you're going to type in your local library's website. So in my case, it's going to be BCPL for Baltimore County Public Library. And you're going to find them on Google. And once you're here, you're going to try to find your library's research database. So in my case, I'm going to go to the Books and More. And I'm going to go to Research Databases. And once you're here, you're going to go all the way down to find lynda.com. And here we are, guys. lynda.com, unlimited training on a wide variety of topics. So we're just going to click that. And it should take you to this page, guys. Welcome to lynda.com. If you notice in your search bar, it's going to say lynda.com, yada, 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 bcpl.info. And the BCPL is my, again, Baltimore County Public Library. So this is the library login specifically for your library. So what you're going to do is you're going to go down here and enter your library card number and enter your library card PIN. So, and your library card PIN is going to be the last 4 digits of your phone number, but this may vary from library to library. So I'm just going to go ahead and log in now so you guys can see what it looks like. And boom, here we are, guys. This is lynda.com. So I'm going to go to the library tab to show you guys all the different things that you guys can learn and view. All the way from web development to 3D and animation. So if you guys like this video, please be sure to like and subscribe and leave a comment down below if you have any further questions. Peace, and I'll see you next time.
I don't know nobody that can do it like this. I've been on the ground like this, like this, like this. Do you like this? Don't nobody do you like this, like this, like this. This is my shit. You be like, this about as good as it gets. Do it like this. Do it like, do it like, do it like, do it like.